Hey, so welcome back everyone. So I've released a video on the microbiome and how to keep it healthy. So I'm just quickly going to talk about 5 things. So 5 and 5 about your microbiome. So 5 things you can do to heal your microbiome or to get it back to optimum health. Maybe after you've done some things that you think you shouldn't, or just to get it back on track. So 5 things to help your microbiome. Lots of water, as I've mentioned many times before, so I'll mention them together. Water, sunlight, fresh air, those are really good. Exposure to soil, earth, animals, nature. Exposure to nature helps your microbiome. Eliminating animal products, so your high fat, high protein animal products like meat, they are not beneficial to your microbiome. Because they decrease the diversity, they impact what kind of bacteria there is, because you need different bacteria to digest this very acidic, very tough fat and protein load that you're putting on your body. So you are going to be changing your microbiome to try and digest this meat, this piece of flesh you are putting into your body. It also takes much longer to digest. So fat can take up to 9-10 hours to digest. So that's the whole day. So meaning you are basically, if you're eating 3 meals a day, you're just adding. And that food is sitting in your gastrointestinal tract for extended periods of time, fermenting, making gas, producing lots of harmful bacteria. So you don't want that. So lowering the amount of animal meat products that you're putting into your body, eliminating or decreasing the amount of dairy, because dairy also influences your body. More than 70% of the world is lactose intolerant in any case. So if you're consuming dairy, you're just cutting off the bacteria and the villi in your intestine and your gastrointestinal tract. So you're decreasing the surface area for absorption of your nutrients. So you're decreasing your body's ability to absorb nutrients. So that's another one. So those are 3 things already. Then the next one is you can increase your fiber intake. So that means whole foods, plant-based foods. You can eat loads and loads of them. You can never eat enough fruit. So you can eat as much fruit as you like. It will be extremely beneficial for your body. So fiber. Then the last one, phytonutrients. You want to increase your phytonutrient intake. There's a bacteria called Akkermansia, which has been found to combat cancer. So this is grown, your Akkermansia is grown by consuming phytonutrient foods, especially the red colored ones. So like pomegranates, cranberries, raspberries. So the red colored things will have the phytonutrients that will help Akkermansia grow, and high fiber as well. And the catechins in tea also help Akkermansia grow. I would recommend caffeine-free tea, because the caffeine is basically a poison that the plant makes to stop things from eating the coffee bean. So the caffeine is not beneficial to our systems. It increases inflammation and can lead to your brain not absorbing hormones or serotonin. It cuts off the signaling between your gut and your brain. So those are the 5 things that you can focus on for a healthy microbiome. Lots of fiber, whole foods, things that grow your Akkermansia, so the red phytonutrient rich foods. All the different colors will have high phytonutrient amounts. Then pure water, clean air, get in contact with the soil, with nature, activity, exercise, go out, do something, do things, increase your nutrient intake, decrease your animal product, dairy product intake. Those will be beneficial to your body. And then a bonus one, decrease your processed sugar, processed fat intake, because this will also affect your microbiome. High processed sugar intake will cut off your villi in your intestines, which will also lead to a decreased ability to absorb nutrients. So there you go, a quick 5 and 5 on how to maintain a healthy microbiome. So as always, stay healthy, and to God be the glory.